Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL F650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily install its app for your iPhone. At first open App Store. Here go to search. In the search bar search for JBL headphones. JBL headphones. And as you can see JBL headphones, we have to tap on it. And now we have to tap on this cloud with this arrow icon. If you have Get button over here, you have to tap Get and authorize yourself using your Apple ID password or Face ID. Now, during installation, we have to wait a moment. It depends on our internet connection and our phone. If you have some older phone, our downloading speed will be some slower, and if you have some newer phone, for example newest iPhone or Google Pixel, our downloading speed will be much faster. Of course, the main reason that our download is slow is internet connection. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.